Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to manage Chrome tabs with Tab Manager Plus. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on these dots to open the main menu, then hover your mouse over the Extensions option. This will reveal a submenu with additional choices related to Chrome extensions. From this submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This action will open a new tab that takes you directly to the Chrome Web Store, which is Google's official marketplace for browser extensions and themes. Here you can find thousands of tools designed to enhance your browsing experience. In the search bar at the top of the Chrome Web Store, type in Tab Manager Plus for Chrome and press Enter. This extension is specifically designed to help you organize and navigate through multiple tabs more efficiently, which is especially useful if you tend to have many tabs open at once. Once the search results appear, locate Tab Manager Plus in the list and click on it. This will take you to the extension's dedicated page where you can read more about its features and user reviews. When you're ready to install it, click the Add to Chrome button, then confirm by clicking Add Extension in the pop-up that appears. Chrome will now download and install the extension automatically. Now that Tab Manager Plus is installed, let's test it out by opening multiple tabs in your browser. Go ahead and open several new tabs so you have some content to manage. This will give you a better sense of how the extension works in a real browsing scenario. Next, look at the top right area of your browser where you'll see the extensions icon, which looks like a puzzle piece. Click on this icon to view all your installed extensions. Find Tab Manager Plus in the list and click the pin icon next to it. Pinning the extension keeps it visible in your toolbar for quick and easy access whenever you need it. Now click the Tab Manager Plus icon that's now visible in your toolbar. This will open the extension's interface, showing you all your currently open tabs organized in a clean, manageable list. From here, you can easily navigate between tabs by simply clicking on any tab's icon in the list. The browser will instantly switch to that tab, saving you the hassle of searching through a crowded tab bar. If you want to open a new tab, click the plus icon within the Tab Manager Plus interface. This creates a fresh tab without leaving the extension's view. You can also customize how your tabs are organized by clicking the settings icon and choosing a color for different tab groups. This color coding helps you visually distinguish between different projects or categories of tabs. To minimize the Google Chrome window entirely, click the arrow down icon. And if you need to close the Chrome window completely, click the X icon. And that's it. You've successfully set up Tab Manager Plus and learned how to use it to keep your Chrome tabs organized and easy to navigate. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.